They say growing a snake plant is easy. Just stick it in a pot, forget about it, and watch it thrive. But what if I told you there's a secret, a series of steps that not only make them grow, but make them explode with life? We're not just planting pups today, we're unlocking their full potential. And you'll see why the easy way is a lie. The first mistake people make is believing any pot or soil will do. It's a common blunder that leads to a slow, suffocating death. The truth is, these young snake plant pups are vulnerable, and they need a specific environment to survive. A pot with proper drainage is their only defense against root rot, a silent killer that lurks in soggy soil. And the soil itself must be a perfectly balanced mix, a loamy blend of coarse sand, perlite, or pumice that allows for air circulation and quick drainage. Next, you can't just cut a pup and shove it in the ground. The mother plant leaves a wound, a vulnerable entry point for disease and infection. But there is a way to protect them. The secret is to let the cut end form a callus for a few days, a natural scar that seals the wound. And for an extra layer of protection, you can dust the end with a common spice found in every kitchen: cinnamon powder. Its antifungal properties are the perfect defense against unseen threats, ensuring your pup's survival and setting it up for explosive growth. Now it's time to plant. But you must be precise. Planting the pup too deep will cause the base to rot, while planting it too shallow will leave its roots exposed and defenseless. The key is to position it so the roots are fully buried, but the base of the leaves remains above the soil line, a delicate balance that provides support without suffocating it. And here's another secret: plant it in slightly dry soil, not moist. This simple step mimics its natural arid environment and prevents it from being overwhelmed by moisture right after transplanting. After planting, the real test begins. Many people believe all you need is sunlight, but a hidden factor is at play: temperature and humidity. These elements are the engine of your plant's metabolism. Pups need a warm, stable environment to grow, avoiding sudden changes or cold drafts that can shock them. A consistent room temperature is often enough. But if the air is too dry, you can group them with other plants to create a beneficial microclimate. This subtle change in their environment will reduce stress and accelerate their growth exponentially. Finally, we address the one thing every plant needs, but which can be lethal if misused: fertilizer. A common mistake is to feed these young snake plant pups too much, too soon. They're babies, and a strong dose of fertilizer can easily burn their delicate roots and kill them. The trick is to wait until they have formed roots, typically within 6 to 8 weeks, and then use a highly diluted liquid fertilizer. This gentle feeding provides a much-needed boost without the risk of overfeeding, ensuring they grow strong and healthy. So there you have it. The secret to growing a snake plant isn't about being lazy, it's about being strategic. Now that you're in on the secret, it's time to put it to use. If this video revealed something you didn't know, prove it by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to uncover more secrets about gardening, then you know what to do. The best is yet to come.